All right, so we finished the last chapter by refactoring some of the front-end code, as you can see here. We also we actually added the array types, which is nice, and simplified our front-end file a ton with a couple of separate functions for fields, and then this bigger function here for selecting the actual field type. So field info, dependency, or struct field type, which is recursive, but only to here. Yeah, it's pretty nice. Now what I want to add next are mapped types, which I think will be the next thing. So mapped types, what are they? Let's go into parse_test, which will be the easiest place to test this. Test map types. So if I have a struct like type a struct and it has hello, and it contains a map to string, you know, what can we do here? So off the bat, there's a couple things we don't really want to consider. I suppose we don't really want to consider keys that aren't easy to parse. I suppose if you have struct b world a string, we don't really want b here to index by a struct. You know, this would be useful. It's pretty hard to do, I would say, at least in the JavaScript land. And if we take this project further into other languages, I think this might be quite difficult. Because we're dealing with keys and keys being structs. I mean, you know, it's possible, but it's not very nice. So we're gonna not do this. We're gonna allow string, basically anything that converts easily to JavaScript. We're gonna allow. We can even allow Boolean in. I mean, if you want. It's not very useful, but you can. So next, what we're gonna try is a very simple struct with string to string. So for map hello, it's going to behave map string to string. Go to you, and you. And what do we think the output should be? The output should be for map hello, and it should be a Z. I think an object. Hold on, I can't actually remember what this should be. I think this should be something like object with basically one keys string. Can't actually remember how to do that in Valibot and kind of other validators. Valibot, let's have a look at their documentation. Objects, yep. So I mean, it's going to be an object with key. For an object with any number of uniform entries, record is the right option. Okay. Yeah, that makes sense. So it's going to be a record of string, for example. Yeah, so it's going to be, yeah, any x string. Cool. So it's record that we want. It's going to be a record of string. Wait, string to string takes a second argument, right? Oh, this will only be string. Oh, here we are. Yeah, this makes a little bit more sense. Yeah, okay, so it's going to be record string to, we could say number, for example. Yeah, that makes much more sense. And we could continue here, I guess. Can I can't have number there. I'm not sure then what I would do here. Validbot record with number keys. For an object with a number of uniform entries, record is the right choice. If you pass only one schema as an argument to the function, this will be used to validate the values of the record. To explicitly define the schema of the keys, you can pass two schemas to record. The first schema will be used for the key and the second for the values. So instead of string, you can use enum, piglist, special, or union. What is special? Special. Okay, so it seems to be kind of difficult to do. I think it's possible. Like, it definitely is possible, but it seems a bit annoying to do. And I reckon that Golang's like JSONify thing still just gives you a stringified number anyways. So I reckon we should stick with this for now and only allow map of string, which is kind of a bit an annoying restriction, but you know, I think it's okay. Okay, so let's start. So we get the error, currently we don't support ASD.map types. And this comes from here, which means at this point we got k star ASD.map type, which means we have t dots. What do we have as t? We have the field info. Does map type actually have map, the key and the value? Okay. The key and the value. Where are we? So yeah, we have a map type. So I think in conforming to this, I'm going to say func p parser pass map field ordered struct type. Do we need a field name? Maybe. Yeah, we probably do. Field name. String and map, which is the map. I'm gonna say M. No. Map ASD.map type, and it returns field info and error. And now you kind of, one of the things I myself have thought with this project is, why do I bother with stuff like this. Why do I bother with taking a front end, creating like an AST from an AST almost, and then generating stuff on the back end? Well, the reason is so that I have an intermediate layer in case I want to generate other stuff other than value builds. So the input being the AST, I do some small parsing so that I have nicer ways to work instead of generating the output directly. I think it's nicer, and I think it will work better. That's why I'm doing it. Anyways, so here, what we can do is we could say return p.parseMap field with the ordered struct, the field name, and then t. Okay, so then we actually need to add some more type to this field info. So we have a name and a type. Whether it's embedded, an array, or a boolean, we're actually going to need whether it's a map. Because if it's a map, we're going to have a key and a value. And this is, yeah, where I think this will start to come in. True. Key, string, value, string. Although value could potentially be another struct, but we would take the name of the struct, so that's fine. Okay. Let's go back right here. In here. Map.ast.key. Key identifier, okay. Star ast.ident, if not okay, return an empty array, and errors.new do not support type, do not support t as key of map type. And let's do this inside fmt.sprintf. And this is going to be the map ast.key. Okay. And let's also get the value. Okay, let's get value identifier. I think this is what we will have to change this because we could have like an array or even an anonymous type. So we could do a couple of things here. My favorite might be to just put this into parseStruct field type, but for now I will abstain from that because I need to figure out what I want the type to be. Okay, so let's force you into this, into an identifier, but yeah, I know full well I will have to change this. So here what I return, field info, that says map, true, name, field name which we carried from before, key, which is going to be key ident.name, key value, value identifier.name. No. We don't use order struct. Well, I don't know. I guess not, but we might. I'm going to put an underscore before that. Is there no way to like rename parameter to, I need to rename the whole thing for that. Great. What do we get now? Runtime error, and we do so on order struct lists. It's pretty interesting. I mean, I know we don't, we haven't handled this, but it's kind of interesting what happens. And I want to see what it is that does happen. So let's toggle the breakpoints. Oh, come on. Oh, sorry. Okay. No, what it? What? It like really. Oh, is it because the breakpoint is not where it's meant to be? Put it up there. Oh, there's an R there. Oh. Go to you. Let's do this. Okay, great. So, and let's go code pass. Go into pass file. We can exit this, but we can go into here. Wait, what? What is going on? So confused. This is allowed, right? Why is my debugger just not working? Where do you go? Testing. Yeah. Order struct list backend 980. How weird. Oh, it does it here. Right. No, we figured it out, I guess. Debugger was being really weird though. Where n dot name field type. But I find it weird though. It's pretty strange. Anyway, let's go here. Let's toggle the breakpoint here. Let's once again try to run the test, which, you know, hopefully it works. It does not work. Come on, man. Why don't you just work? I'm gonna just, oh wait, the breakpoint cannot be on the test. Can it? Yeah, I think that might be it. I'm being silly. The breakpoint cannot be on the test. It has to be like here. Okay. Cool. We go into here. We go into here. We pass the struct field. process struct fields on 0, map false, 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 so low B. Pretty confused right now, actually, as to what's going on. Yeah, that's the correct struct, right? No, it's full map. What the hell? What? It's the wrong test that's running. Like, it actually just is the wrong test. Yeah, this is just running the wrong test. I'm not sure what's going on with the debugger, but alright. Well, anyway, I think I kind of know what's wrong. Is that we must add a type, and I reckon type could probably be this. Let's check again on the order list. We sort them by the order. By the order they appear in. We go here, get JS type from field.type. Yeah, I guess it needs to be present. Okay, that is better, I suppose. So here in the get single field, if it's not just type, from the field type. I reckon field type could be the key type. No. That's pretty annoying. Actually, I'm not sure what to put for here. I'll keep it as the key identifier dot name, and I'll put value in as the value identifier dot name. So then I shouldn't reach this. Yeah, as the field name. Else if field dot map. Oh, actually, just if map, right? We go and say, maybe add to the validators on our counter. Really, what I implemented there was a set. I was just thinking the other day. Record. And we go local value.output plus or equal to a record of this plus. Yeah, why don't I use FMT? Yeah, I'll do that refactor later. FMT to just format my strings for me. So record between this and the value, yeah. So let's check here. Underscore error get JS type of the field dot value. Yeah, if error is not equal to nil, then we return string errors new. Currently do not support map types for structs, and here we can go. We can do maybe add of value type. Yep, that's it. And we go plus value type here. There you go. Value type plus this, comma, and a new thing. Return local value output nil. Okay, what do you get? You get record string. Yep, pretty sure that's correct. Comma there. It's not an array, say record. Good. Basic mapped types. Obviously this doesn't work with anything that's harder. Test map types to struct. So if I have type A struct field int, for example, and this goes to A. Yeah, I haven't even dealt with pointers in the entire project. Ugh, lots of stuff. This should be an object to format record string, not record string, record A, and we have const A equals object field number, object number, no string, and record. But currently we not support map types for structs, which goes in somewhere here actually. It doesn't go on the front end. Interesting. Thought it would. Oh wait. Why does this fail for the previous one? Print line value type and field dot value. If error not equal to nil, what the hell? An error? So confused right now. Is equal to Node.js type. That's just weird. I don't really know what's going on right now. Currently do not support map. Yeah, it's the only place it is. So if I do a question mark there, and maybe not a question mark. Value type null, the error, and it once, and then field.value. Field.value is hello. Oh, what? That's pretty weird. Let's do fmt though. Print f. I think it's this one to get really verbose structs. Field type. Just field even. Name hello. Type string, embedded false, array false, map true, key string. Oh, because it's field dot type. Oh, wait, Jesus, my God, that was... This is correct, the names of the tests are too similar. If I do simple here, yeah, that works. I was so confused. Types to struct. No, okay, now that works properly. So it's still an identifier. So really this is purely backend work. So I go in here. Oh wait, what's the type? The type should actually be value identifier.name. Okay, nice. And now we got the correct ordering. And there should be a type here, and then it should throw an error. 20.println field.type. Nothing. What am I doing wrong? Pretty weird. Pretty strange. I'd love to toggle a breakpoint, but I don't know if this would work. Okay, promising, I guess. Oh no, it doesn't because of this. Okay, we've reached this, and here we have again the wrong test being tested. Is there? I bet there are just breakpoints somewhere else or something. Like somewhere along here. No. Weird. Really weird. But anyways, we're running here. Let's just write hello, see what happens. To struct say hello then. Yeah, big hello appears. It returns map with a name. That's the field name. The key is the key identifier.name. The type is the value identifier.name. Which is A. Good. What I'm really confused at is to why it doesn't crash. So maybe I'm not thinking about this enough. Let's see what happens. Can I? Can't get something to print there. I can get one here. That's so weird. Is it that it never reaches then? It's like it never, like the ordering, when we do the order, when we do this node map and we return the ordered list, we never put it in. It's pretty strange. fmt.println the error. Cannot find corresponding JS type. That's fine. e.println node map node index. That is really strange. What is? I mean, if the debugger worked, that'd be great, but doesn't seem to like me right now. Is there a debugger here or something? No. Really weird. But I'm pretty sure that if I went ahead and I did fmt.println ordered list, oh no, we do get full map. Yeah, we do get it. Ah, because it goes in up here. Right, I understand what's going on. Quick fix would be to say field.map. Not field.map, but I reckon we could probably do not field.array there. And clean up the code a bit. And now you crash in the correct place. Awesome. Which is here. But if it is this, we should actually just say local valibot output plus or equal to record plus field.type we go return local valibot output and nil, and we do the rest. Okay, perfect. Does leave me with a gap, it seems. On the imports. fmt.println. That's interesting. What actually? yeah, something happens where we add kind of an empty string or close to. Yeah, we add the record at the top. Yeah. And I should never reach this here. Don't think I do. No, I don't. So then that's coming from somewhere else. It's pretty weird. I think I'm doing maybe add on all of them anyway, so let's do fm2.println field number empty string and then record. Oh, because I'm doing this here. I mean, easy thing to do for now is if not a field.map, and then we refactor that to be its own thing after we get the test to pass. Really nice. Okay. So back to the question here, which is this. So I reckon we should check not field map and not field.array too, right? We don't want the array to be there, because when we want to deal with the array for ourselves, and we can create another function called get JS type or type. That takes a field, which is a string, and it returns is JS type and string. Is JS type, we're going to define JS type and error. Actually, no. Wait, just leave boolean. Let's not be clever. Get JS type of the field. If error actually, if error is not equal to nil, then we return true and the type. Otherwise, we return false and JS type. Expected something found type. There we go. So on the array, what we can do is we can do is JS type, and then T, which is get JS type or type from field.type. We could add this. We could always add T, but what we add after is kind of different. If is JS type plus if it is, then we don't add these brackets there. I guess we also do if there is not equal to nil, then we add that JavaScript type. We have this here, right? This is going to be shared. Do func appended type, which is going to be it's going to take t as string, it's going to return a string, and we're going to say isJS type, and then the type, which is getJS type of t. We're going to say if isJS type, then we're going to return this comma new line, otherwise we're going to return this comma new line. And we can say instead we can say local input plus or equal to appended type field.type, like so. And we're going to have to move that. So that's for the array. And over here we're going to do the same. Appended type field.type. Oh, but yeah, we need to do plus or equal to array open brackets plus appended type field.type. There we go, we're golden. I just need that. It's going to be record. Great. Doesn't quite work because it does record and then it doesn't append the type. Until line field.type. And not field or neither of them. No, still nothing. I think that was fine. T.println. Start there. Oh wait, they both go into here? Println the printf. So yeah, just going through a couple of debugging steps here. Oh, we can get rid of this. Yeah. Field.type plus this and a new line. Like this. So yeah, we don't go into that. That's fine. The first one is correct. The last one's a map. Let's do this. Let's print line that. Append the type. Doesn't actually append the type. Yeah, that's nice. can get rid of you, can get rid of you. And why do you fail? Because of the import line. Object. Oh, if number is equal to null, then we add. Great. But now we need to run them all. Okay, good. That all worked. Int /refactor map types to structs and a slight refactor of backend generation. Okay, good. That part there's done. Now we have other things to kind of contend to do, which would be like a record to a nested thing. So here, when we parse this, let's create another test folder. Let's go main.go. Let's go, just to keep in tradition, I suppose, a.go nested /b.go type package nested type a struct I am nested hello string package name type with map struct map nested which is going to be a map between string and this, so, and that points to the correct thing. Test mapped types. Actually not mapped, but just map types. Default. And the I am nested is just going to have hello string, and then the with map is going to be an object of maps a record to I am nested. And that should work. Test map types. Test file map types. Okay. Do you support key? That's a very bad error message. But it comes from here when we pass map field. Do you support? Only support. Only support. So the key was going to stay. But this is an expression, and we should therefore go out and find the value that it corresponds to. Something p dot parse struct field ordered struct and the map asd dot value. Struct field type as well with a field name error, and let's just do okay, so we get map type name of the field is map, type I am nested. Yeah, so the type is I am nested. Okay, so value type if error is not equal to null, then we do return set error. Keep it very transparent. And here we go. Value type. We need to construct this map fields. Like this. And the value type, if length of value type is not equal to 1, return this expected only one, like one field returned. And basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to say, I'm going to set the map, I'm going to set the name, I'm going to set the key, type and value. Value type 0 dot type. What am I doing with key? Can't actually remember. With value, I'm not doing much with value. I think value can actually go. Pretty sure. Although, you know, might be one of those. And here we're going to return map field and no. Like this. Nice. Cool. I am nested hello string map record. I am nested with this as a record. It's nice when things just work. Feet nested map types. The last thing to test for map types would be is going to be arrays. As for the things we do on a support. Damn, how many lines of code we have so far? It's turning out to be pretty big project so far. 1,125, really? 300 here, 200 here. I guess it's actually not that big a project, but it's just quite terse. Or maybe I'm making it terse. Should we say that? Anyways, let's write the test. Also, yeah, test files are huge. Test map types array. Let's just say an array of string. Array simple as first test. For map record to can I do record to an array of string? Yes, I can. Really nice. So record to an array of string. So this is going to have record array string. Maybe in that order. Could be reversed. I'm not super sure. Test map types array simple. Okay. Because when we come up here, we do get the type, but we don't get that its child, you know, is an array. Oh, and this might fail with arrays of arrays. Like if I can have this, and I reckon I can have, yeah, I mean, I should be able to go on forever. But let's focus on this one for now. Yeah, this is going to be kind of an entrance to one of our recursive stuff. Like the value should actually be another field info. Maybe not field info, but maybe we should have type field info value, which contains some stuff, which is actually just going to be, it's going to be a linked list basically. It's going to have a next. No, it's just going to, yeah. I'm not sure how to declare this yet. Currently I just need to support arrays of arrays. So this is going to be like, it's going to, well, I'm going to need like an AST, right? Because I'm trying to toss an AST to my own little like AST. Field info value. To be fair, I haven't dealt with arrays of arrays. Anyways, yet. I'm gonna say okay. Here's map array. Value array. Here's value array, yeah. Super ugly, and I really don't like it, but I think for now we're okay. Map field dot is value array equals value type 0 dot array. Because we should kind of embed this field info in. Wait, why don't I do that, actually? Why don't I just go value to the field info. And I can just go map field dot value equals map value type as 0. Okay. This doesn't solve that much. Actually, when I change this, it's going to break some other stuff. So it's going to, I'm going to test array test map type simple. Map type simples work. Simple map types to struct. Ah, also works. Wait, really? Okay. To array simple. Ah. So confused. Okay, test map types array simple. Okay, there we go. Now we're actually running. I just misspelled it. So the thing is that eventually in there we might have to kind of recursively find stuff to order it properly, like the But okay, I like this. The order here. Oh yeah, we're appending the edges, yeah. Okay. Whew. And yeah, we have a struct and we make the edges here. Node, the edges are made. And then we append onto the edges some of the nodes. Yes, okay, so to do this, we look for where that field type is. Let's say func rec find type on a struct. Let's say boolean s dot order fields info. Yeah, so no, actually I want a field info. Search type string if field dot type is equal to search type, turn true. If field dot value is equal to null, turn false. Otherwise we return rec find type field dot value with search type star. Okay. We can even do oh, but we're looking for the name. Oh god. What the hell? This is, yeah, I'm thinking the other way around. So here what we're doing is we're taking node map, which is a map with every single one of the nodes in. So that's the struct names. Yeah, struct name. We're searching through it to find the name where the current field has a type. We could say like get field type rec find type field info. Let's say string here. If field dot type is equal to empty string. Oh wait. God. If field is not equal to empty string, return field dot type. Otherwise, we want to do return rec find field dot value. Actually, we want to do it. We want to do an error here. No. If field dot type dot field dot value is equal to nil, return this and errors dot new type was empty and value was undefined, was nil. Otherwise, we return this field dot value. That's it. Rec find type. Rec find type. Let's actually panic. I think because this means that we're at a very incorrect structure. It's not really it's actually a programmer error that I should fix. Panic. Panic. There we go. Maybe. T.println correct find type field. But at this point we've reached here, which is kind of strange. Let's field.type. Length of field.type 0. So then when we go here, if the length of field.type is bigger than 0, we return it. Otherwise we don't. So it's empty and then string. Oh, but is it actually type that we want, or is it field dot name? It might be field dot name. Yeah, it's field name here. We want to actually find rec find the name. Oh, this is a mess, man. This is a huge mess. Let's just say if field.type is equal to empty, then return field.value.name is equal to end.name. Okay, this is getting pretty messy right now. Yeah, really messy. Or end.name is equal to field.value.name. That's just weird. Or maybe I'm not understanding things correctly. Probably that one. So the node index is before was just this, but now the field type is empty. End.name is the... Come on, man. So we get format. Which one am I even running? Array simple. Yeah, so maybe it's like actually got nothing to do with that. No, I mean it does go into here. Here, yeah, okay. Full map, and it has hello. Value name is still going to be hello, that's fine. It's the type that we want actually, so it's going to be string. Oh yeah. So the type is going to be string. Oh, that's... What do we do about like multiply nested stuff? Oh, this project's about to become not very nice, I think. Damn. If field dot, let's just say, if field dot value is not equal to nil, yeah, we're gonna have to restructure this whole thing soon. It's gonna be an array. You could say correct get last type field info string if field dot value is equal to nil, otherwise return rec get last value of field dot value. There we go. Last type rec get last value of the field underscore error is equal to get.js type for of rec get last type field type like this. Oh, close, I think. Okay, that part works. Now we need to change some of this. Pen type rec get last type field. Oh, but then now our input is a bit wrong. Yeah, rec get last type field up there too. Object string rec. And where am I? Must be this. Very simple, yeah. So it's going to be object and the string inside, then the record. Object string record for map hello record of. Oh, should be record array string still. It doesn't currently give me that. Like this, and then field. Yeah, so it is a map. Right, and then it's gonna have to be like, it's gonna recursively add, and it should really look up here. Yeah, I'm gonna make this test pass, but we will come back to it. Yeah, really kind of weird and interesting problem we have in our hands, because just to kind of show you what's going through my head is if I can have this, which can be a map of a string, of an array of maps to string to booleans, and we have to support that. And this, you know, isn't super easy to support, but is possible. But okay, so we go here, and to do refactor me, we might leave that for next time. It's getting pretty late and I'm starting to get pretty tired. We're going to leave this here. I'm going to say if field.value is like to nil, local value.output. So this is on like one level, whereas we should probably do many, more levels of this. Which would be interesting. Refactor me. I am here for one test to pass, which you literally are, because I'm going to have and field.value.array, and we're going to plus or equal to array. Array plus field.value.type plus append type field.value.type plus the array, the close brackets, the comma, and a new line. Isn't that something? Else plus or equal to append type field.type. And I think this guy, oh god. Oh yeah, this, I don't even need this here anymore. Oh, I think I do need an extra close bracket though. I do. Oh no, I hate it, I hate it, I hate it. Just to make one test pass. Hack type, append type, field.value.type. We're gonna append hack type from 0 to length of hack type minus, I think 2. What do you give me? That. And I'm gonna do plus an extra close brackets, the comma, and then a new line ourselves. One, two, three. Yeah, that's correct. And it goes object string record. Yeah, I guess that kind of makes sense actually, because now we're recursively checking for this first, so you should go there. Okay, did I break anything? I did. From T, get rid of you, get rid of you. What did I get rid of? Sorry, actually, what did I break? Test file not types. And the same thing in the ordering again. Because of this. Because the value is going to be what? Okay, let's do some t.println here to start with. That's where we are. Yeah, the field.type is going to be nil because shouldn't I look for this? Last type. I feel like I should. But now, yeah, when we go to print, then this stuff doesn't quite work. Okay, we'll commit because I'm really tired. Work in progress. Some working map types. Working on nested on linked list of values, which will allow for more complicated expressions. Yeah, I mean, I'm almost close to writing another grammar on top of Golang's grammar, right? Which is interesting. Yeah, in a way that is kind of what I'm doing, but I don't need to write a whole grammar, right? I have an AST and I'm just taking it and having some very simple map structures, like in fielding and managing kind of dependencies there. I just need to kind of nail this value, this linked list of field info. Yeah, I need to nail it, and it needs to be good, because otherwise it's gonna be hard to move forward. Anyways, thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.